I am Chef Dee Lavigne. I am the owner of Deelightful Cupcakes, and today I will be making a recipe from the Let's Talk About Good 2 cookbook. It's gonna be Mama's Pecan Pie. So we have all the ingredients ready. We have a pre-made pie crust. So we're just gonna start mixing and let's get everything together. So the first thing we're gonna do is we have 3 large eggs. We're gonna add to the bowl. We're gonna beat them. After these eggs are beaten, we're gonna add in the sugar. And it's 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Next, we're gonna add in some delicious dark Karo syrup. Make sure you get your spatula, get all of that in. Next, we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of margarine, and we're gonna mix all of this really well. You wanna make sure that it's all incorporated. And it will be a little grainy, but that's fine because it's all gonna bake out into the oven. So one of the last things we're gonna add is a pinch of salt. It's about 1/2 of a teaspoon. So we're gonna add that in. Once everything is all nice and mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and add the pecans into our pastry shell, right into that pie crust. And you can spread them around a little bit. It's not that important because once we add the liquid to it, they're just gonna float up. So let's go ahead and get that added in. Finally, once you get all of your liquid incorporated into the pie shell, you just kind of want to dab over the top of your pecans to make sure that they actually get soaked. You want them to be covered. It's going to give them that beautiful glazed finish after it's baked. And that is it. Next, we put it into the oven for 350 degrees for 50 minutes. That's it, and then it'll be done.